Assalamu alaikum friends, I am back with new video. In this video we will talk about top memes coins in market cap and how we can benefit from these memes coins, because memes is the have a largest community in the world as compared to other coin. Here you can check first coin is Dogecoin. Dogecoin is ranked at 9 number on coin market cap. Price was to 0.2693, and you can 24-hour check, 24 hours 7 days, and market cap and volume and circulating supply and last 7 days. You can check here all the circulating supplies. When we click here Dogecoin, we are opening top 3 coins. Second coin is Shiba Inu coin, and third one Dogecoin Mars Elon. These are 3 coins. So first of all is Dogecoin. Dogecoin have Dogecoin is registered on Binance Smart Chain. You can hear their source codes. It is a price, and you check here rank number 9 and 12,08,976 people are watching this coin. That's a huge number. And that lowest price of 0.26 and highest 0.28. Here you can check all the graph of one day. I am clicking on 3 month. You can check here 3 month graph, and I click 1 year, and you can check 1 year graph here. So here we can check how prices of these coin. So here checking Binance markets. It is available on only Binance market is Coinbase exchange. Here it is available on all biggest crypto exchange. So you can purchase these coins and hold for a long time for a good profit, because these are meme coins have a largest community and good support. But it is not a good coin. We can in other words we said these are shit coins. Second number is coin Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu coin is the second meme coin, largest meme coin according to market cap. It is available. It is on rank number 13, and 13,38,398 people are watching this coin. You can check here again. Watch graph and their price in USD, their price in BTC, their price in Ethereum. It is also available on Ethereum. Ethereum is the best blockchain. Has a block. Ethereum have a block. Ethereum has the best block exchange. Here you can Binance coin, Binance Q coin. You can check here different exchanges. It is the second largest meme coin, and it is issued or we can say launched recently, and creating a large hype in here. And you can check here their holders and volume. You can check here. And third number coin is Dogelon coin. Dogelon most massive. It is also available Ethereum. You can check here. In top 3 coins, 2 are on Ethereum exchange, and you can here again it is down. Or if we are click 1 here, check here, how much hype it is. Now it is again down. 1 year. If we are clicking 1 year, check here 1 year. Earlier you can check here. So this is a second meme coin. It is a not good coin and not going to up, but you can hold Dogecoin, Shiba Inu coin have a large hype, and Dogecoin also good coin. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and